sharing with you guys what clothes you need to bring to college and what to leave at home. Not only am I going to be sharing with you guys what clothes most college students wear to class, but I'm also going to be interweaving what UVA students actually wear to class, because if you guys didn't know, I'm a rising third year at UVA. So if you guys like college videos like this, definitely subscribe down below. I make new college videos every Sunday and the occasional Wednesday. Lately, not so much, but you know. This video was actually inspired by Maya Summers. She is a YouTuber at Virginia Tech. Her video was really comprehensive about what kids wear to class there. While that video is great, it's a little bit different from what people wear at UVA. If you guys want to see any particular section of this video, I'll leave the timestamps down below. I know I really appreciate it when creators do this, so wanted to give those to you guys. To start off, I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of essentials I could not survive without in college. The first of which is my barber jacket, which you do not need a barber jacket, let's be very clear. Basically any kind of like light fall jacket, especially if you're coming to Charlottesville. It generally doesn't get too cold in Charlottesville until around mid-November, so a light medium-sized jacket like a barber, which keeps you warm but not like too warm. It's not like a full-on winter coat. It's a great option. One of the best things that I purchased for in college was a black puffy jacket, and the key with this is having it go below your butt because you will just be so much warmer. I know some people have the Canada Goose jackets. You definitely do not need a $1,000 jacket to survive in Virginia. Mine is just from Eddie Bauer. I got it from the outlet, but honestly can get a puffy jacket anywhere. It obviously doesn't need to be black, but that matches most of my stuff. Another essential that I could not live without is a comfy pair of jeans. These are great if you're looking to look a little bit nicer for class but don't want to be uncomfortable, and I actually got them a size up, so they're definitely a little bit looser. They make me a lot more inclined to wear jeans to class. Doesn't happen too often, but when it does, I love to wear these jeans. My black jeans, I have two pairs, a ripped pair and an unripped pair. These both I wear all the time. The unripped pair is great if you want to dress up a little or you have like a presentation or something. The black ripped jeans are great if you want to wear those to class too, but also for going out, those are a great option. I wear those black jeans at least once a week, if not multiple times a week. And then my last main essential could not live without are sweatpants. Any kind of like comfy pants. I have sweatpants and lounge pants. I will sometimes wear these to libraries, although not often. If I do wear them, they're at night or just like hanging around my house or on the weekend. They're just great to have, and I wear them all the time. I get most of mine from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, and then I got one pair from Nordstrom Rack. Mine were all under $20, I believe. I feel like the biggest difference between high school for me was what I wore to class, because in high school, you ask any of my friends, I like wore nice clothes most of the time, so definitely transition for me. I've definitely like kind of found my own class style. I know people who will literally wear sweatpants to class, although I will say at UVA, that's pretty rare. Generally, if people are wearing something like that, it's more athleisure, and that's what I see the most. That's like the most popular, but I also do see people wear just like jeans, a cute top, like nothing too fancy, but also looks nice. I would say like a third of my friends wear. I know LT always looks cute when she goes to class. Same with Chesley. They always just like have cute outfits, but they're not like fancy. I'm definitely more on the athleisure side. Like that's just my style. My essentials to wear to class are, first of all, up top, I like to wear a cute but simple top. My favorites are those ones from Free People. You guys know I wear those all the time. Those were great investments. I believe they were $40 each, which not cheap at all, but I got them from Macy's on sale, and I literally wear them at least once a week, so for me it was a worthwhile investment. Other places that I like to get my cute simple tops from are Gap, or I'll find them at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, just anything kind of like plain. And then I have a couple really high quality pairs of leggings. Those are like my favorite things to wear. Definitely for leggings, I would say quality over quantity. I have like 3 or 4 nice pairs of leggings, and I just kind of rotate them. I have a black pair from Lululemon. Those are the Aligns, although those are definitely a little bit raggedy at this point. I've had those for years. I have a pair of Lululemon leggings. Those are the In Movement leggings, and I love those because they stay up. I have a pair of Athleta leggings that I got on sale. Those are like my nude ones with the white specks on them. And then I also have an awesome pair from Marshalls. They're from RBX. They are seamless. They honestly look like Lululemon, and they stay up, and they're really comfy and flattering. So I really don't have very many pairs, but I wear them every single week and I take good care of them, so that works for me. Also didn't mention, but I love yoga pants. I love wearing yoga pants to class. All of mine are from Target. I'm sure that there are better ones out there, but I can't find any that I like for under $100, so I'll stick with my $20 Target ones for now. I honestly feel like no one really pays attention to what I wear, so I wear the same outfits like almost every single week. Hopefully no one cares, because I sure don't. As for in the summer, what I like to wear are shorts. I have a couple of great pairs of shorts from Target. They have these shorts right now that literally feel like Lululemon. I am obsessed with them. I cannot get enough of them. I'm actually wearing a pair right now with this outfit. Super cute. And I also just got a pair of Lululemon shorts. Oh, and I got those on sale. Also, this kind of started last year, but I purchased a tennis skirt from Marshall's, and let me tell you, I wear that all the time during the summer and spring months. I just love the way that it looks. It makes me look like all sporty and cute. I just generally wear this with like a cropped shirt. The tennis skirt has built-in shorts. It's really flattering, and I just think it's fun. It's a little twist on the shorts. Jewelry is actually what I'm wearing right now. I recently got these hoops from Target, and I'm not planning on taking them out anytime soon. Same with this necklace I got from E. Newton Jewelry, and I really like both of these. They're very simple, but I wear them every day, and anything like that, like small gold jewelry, I feel like is really popular. I also have like these thicker hoops. They're a little bit bigger than these, and those are good if you want to dress up a little bit for class. Any kind of like dainty light jewelry I feel like is good for the everyday. Sweatshirts are honestly a soft spot for me. I have so many sweatshirts, but what's funny is that I wear them all the time. Most of them I get from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but one of my favorites is from Walmart actually. Liv and I bleach dyed those. I love to wear the crop sweatshirts, honestly, sometimes just by themselves with leggings in the winter, honestly underneath my winter jacket sometimes because it's that cold outside. I completely skipped over shoes. I've recently, since coming to college, got really into sneakers and like kind of fashion sneakers. I don't know. I have like an athletic pair of sneakers, which are cute. I guess you could wear them to work out, but I have running shoes for that. I'd wear those. Or I have a pair of high tops and a pair of like designer sneakers, which I'll wear, which I feel like really elevate my outfit. I only wear them to class. I don't ever wear them out. God, no. I just feel like they really elevate my look. My favorites are from P448. I actually got them from Nordstrom Rack, and I replaced the laces. Having a pair of sneakers that you can wear with leggings and shorts, but also you could wear with like jeans and dress them up or down, I feel like are really versatile, and I'm really obsessed with my two pairs. Overall, what I'd say what people wear to class at UVA is very athleisure, and if people do look nice, they're still casual. So there's a lot of jeans, there's a lot of like, some people wear like, I don't know, more fancy than that, but not really, I'd say. Generally, if I do dress up a little bit, it's just kind of still like a plain top with jeans. If you go to UVA, you're going to be walking a ton, and I definitely think that sneakers are one of my most worthwhile investments because I wear them into the ground. In October. Going out clothes, I feel like this was the most mysterious to me. I did not ever go out in high school, Lord knows. I'm trying to picture what I wore my first night going out, but let me tell you, it was just not appropriate. It looked like I should be going to like an 8th grade pool party situation. Like that was the vibe I was giving off, not like I'm in college. I'm going out essentials, first of which I don't even own myself. I've been on the hunt for a perfect leather jacket. I have yet to find one that's reasonably priced. Honestly, my favorite one that I've been looking at for so long is at Nordstrom, and it keeps selling out, so I need that leather jacket in my life. Leather jackets are just so versatile. I feel like if you invest in one good one, you will have it forever, and I just, so many outfits with a leather jacket, so I'm manifesting it. It's coming soon. Also having a warmer jacket of sorts. A lot of girls get cheap teddy jackets off of Amazon. I had one this past year, which I actually ended up throwing away at the end of the year because it was so disgusting, but these save you during the winter months. I don't know how much going out is going to be happening in the winter months because of the Rona, but if it does, and if that's allowed and everything like that, those jackets are great because they really do keep you warm, and mine had pockets. I could put a ton of stuff in there. You definitely don't want to get anything too nice with like a teddy jacket or any jacket that you're going to be taking off, just because if you're wearing it out, you're probably gonna lose it, or it's gonna get absolutely wrecked. Which brings me to my next point. Frat shoes. Every girl should have some. I mean, guys should have some too, but girls, you need some frat shoes. A lot of people will wear their old Converse, which is fine. Those are fine. Two things on that. First of all, I don't love the look of it. Second of all, they're kind of hard to clean because they're fabric and you can't just wipe them off. I have a pair of white Nike shoes and they're leather, so, well, I don't actually, I think they're leather. I don't know. You can wipe them off. That's what I'm trying to say. So that makes it really easy after you go out to wipe them off, and you can just pop the laces in the washer, maybe with some bleach or some OxyClean. It definitely spruces them up after a month or two of wear. Another pair of going out shoes that changed the game for me last year were a pair of black boots. I got these from Target. I'm obsessed with them. I think that they look like the Fry boots, like the black ones that I was looking at, but way cheaper. These were like $40, $50. You can just wipe them off, and honestly you could wear them to class too if that's like your vibe. As for tops, I've heard mixed things on this. A lot of people just say buy a bunch of basics, which I think is really great, but generally I don't wear crop tops just because, like, might need to work out a little bit more for that, you know what I mean? So no. My favorite tops are, honestly, they're kind of like mom going out tops. They're like tank tops. I get most of my going out tops from Nordstrom Rack, actually. I've gotten a couple from like Forever 21 or TJ Maxx or anything like that, but I know a lot of people have a lot of different ones and a lot of like novelty pieces, but in my opinion, just having like 3 to 5 is good enough. Generally, all black is a very safe look, so like I said, having a good pair of ripped black jeans. Mine are frayed at the ends and they're a little bit lighter. They're from PacSun. I love those jeans to death. They are so flattering, so comfy. And my last thing, which personal preference, but I've seen it a lot, are gold hoops. Woo! Let me tell you, I get some good use out of my Sheila hoops. I used to have these other ones from Francesca's. They look like the Sheila hoops, but once I realized that I can trust myself to wear nicer things out, I started wearing my Sheila hoops. Those I got for Christmas. They're probably like $75, but you can find very similar ones for way cheaper, but I wear gold hoops so often. Good investment. I also have a couple other fun pairs of earrings, like these silver ones or whatever, but hoops are kind of like the go-to for most people. I feel like gold hoops are stable. You can wear them to class, out, running errands, like anytime, so definitely recommend. As for themed parties, I don't know what I was expecting. I just kind of came in very unprepared. Honestly, like, you don't need to bring that many things to college. Also, Amazon Prime is a thing. I wouldn't get like used to priming so many things. I mean, depends how much coin you have. If you got unlimited, then go for it. I do not. So here's some of my recommendations on what to bring or what to buy. First of all, glitter and Vaseline. Vaseline is how all the sorority girls get the glitter to stick on their face. Having silver and gold glitter, let me tell you, life changer. You can use that anytime. Silver shorts I purchased for bid day this year and will be re-wearing again. I like these because I had silver leggings, which were, let me tell you, just so see-through. They were so see-through. So I like the silver shorts. They were very comfy and great for any kind of like alien party, space cowboy party, any kind of like animal print. Very versatile, especially cheetah. You could use that for any kind of like safari, but also you could do like a Jersey Shore moment. Definitely don't spend much money on any of these. These are all like kind of throwaway things. Oh, also I really want a glitter cowboy hat. That's all I want in this life, actually. So if anyone wants to buy me one, I'll be here. Having a jersey is very versatile, not only for game days. I have a UVA basketball one, which I found out thrifting one time. I can't believe I found it. It was $20, I want to say, and they usually go for at least $100. I have that, and it's basically a dress on me, so I'll wear those to jersey parties. Obviously, I wore it during the Natty Champs. That was great, so having that's very helpful. And lastly, any kind of crazy accessories or fun sunglasses I feel like are really popular. I have this pair of white sunglasses, which I'm not even sure which friend has them at this point, but they've been passed around. They were like $6 on Amazon, and they're a great little thing to bring to a party. They always make you look more fun. Great for journeying too. If you've ever heard anything about UVA before, you've probably heard that guys wear ties and girls wear pearls. That's not the case at all. People definitely don't dress like that for game day, but also generally people wear cuter outfits rather than like t-shirts and stuff. That's just kind of the vibe. Nothing wrong with the t-shirts and anything like that, but a lot of girls will wear ruffle skirts. Those are very popular. I actually just got 2 from Forever 21. Generally, what I wear is something cute slash something a little bit lighter than what I would wear going out. out, like I said, I wear a lot of like black going out just because that's the vibe. I'll incorporate some white and obviously some blue. I don't have a ton of orange. I'm pale if you haven't noticed, and orange is not my color at all. Also, when it gets colder, I've worn like black jeans with sneakers and like a white turtleneck cowl neck vibe, which is definitely more mom vibes, but that's kind of my style sometimes, so take that as you will. Honestly, just kind of any kind of cute clothes. I wouldn't stress about having like game day outfits or whatever, especially this year. I don't even know if there's going to be any game days, so there's that. I'm not trying to discourage anyone from wearing any t-shirts either, because I've definitely worn my fair share of like crop t-shirts that I've made myself, and like you can really do cute things with like a tube top, and like there's video tutorials on YouTube on how to make those. I would recommend, if you're gonna do that, go thrifting or go to the UVA bookstore sale section or Mincer's sale section. You can honestly find some good stuff, but don't overpay for any of those t-shirts. They're so expensive for no reason. Something else that doesn't really fit in a category, but I really do want to point out, is having 1 to 2 dressier outfits are very important. Not even like dressy, like formal dresses, which you should definitely have a couple of those actually. Let me just point that out. I would bring like 2 maybe. Like, let's not get our hopes up. You're not gonna go to a formal with every frat guy, but I'm talking more about like professional things. Like I said, I have those black unripped jeans, which honestly don't even look like jeans. They just look like work pants kind of. But having something like that and a couple of nice blouses, or something you could feasibly, if you go to church, you could wear to church, or anything like that, is great for if there's like a career fair or you have an interview or something like that. You just never really know when that's gonna pop up. As for a couple things that you don't need, because I feel like I majorly overpacked on the way to college and then eventually kind of figured out what the vibe was. First of all, you do not need a lot of t-shirts. You're gonna get so many t-shirts from every which way. Yeah, just bring 10. And I know that's a low number. I know it, because I had like 90, 80 before I came to college, and I purged a lot back then, but I just brought 10. Because here's the thing, you're gonna do laundry once every week, once every 2 weeks-ish. I mean, unless all you wear is t-shirts, you're not gonna be wearing a t-shirt every single day. And if you're wearing one to bed, you'll probably just rewear that one. So I would have like 2 or 3 you wear to bed, 2 or 3 you wear to class, and then like 2 or 3 other ones, and then you should be good. Please do not be the person who is wearing their high school t-shirts all the time. Okay, like, you are in college now. Congrats, you're there. You are beyond high school, and unless it's like low-key or super meaningful or something, just like you don't need to wear it out and about. You know what I mean? So tone it down, move on. You do not need a ton of cute clothes. You do not need a lot of summer dresses. I mean, unless you know you are the type to wear a summer sundress to class, you don't need it. You really don't. Also, like, a ton of cute like boutique blouses, like whatever. Like, I have a bunch of like J. Crew tops and whatever. No. You might need 1 or 2 for your cute little professional, like looking nice to class outfits. You really don't need 10. I would like to point out too, I know a lot of people say bring a lot of underwear. I would bring a lot of socks, because I feel like those can get lost. Underwear, you don't need 50 pairs, because how often are you doing your laundry, sis? How often? 1 to 2 weeks? How many pairs of underwear are you wearing a week? I don't know. On that note, I'm going to end off this video. If you guys are in college and have any suggestions for the incoming freshmen / first years, definitely leave them down below. I would love to hear them. If you guys like this video or like college videos like this, definitely subscribe down below. I make new videos every Sunday and have a lot more college content coming this way, your way, this way, everyone's way. I'm moving into my sorority house next week. Oh my god. So yeah, move-in vlog coming very soon. I'm so excited for that, and I'm doing a back to school haul. I'm filming that right after this, so I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.